In a significant push toward community welfare and economic independence for women, Engineers India Limited (EIL) has funded advanced tailoring and garment finishing equipment at a newly inaugurated skill training center in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Heavy manufacturing is undergoing a quiet, essential shift toward cleaner power, and everyday equipment updates are leading the way. Hindustan Zinc has taken another step in this direction by commissioning an EV hybrid crane at its Dariba smelting complex in Rajasthan. Unexpected loss brings immediate emotional and financial strain to families. Demonstrating the practical value of bundled banking protections, Canara Bank recently facilitated an insurance claim payout totaling 46 lakh rupees to the nominee of a deceased account holder. Late SMT N. Neelabai, who served as an employee at LIC, held a Canara Bank premium payroll account. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has appointed 5 merchant bankers for its planned IPO. The banks are SBI Capital Markets, Axis Capital, IIFL Capital Services, IDBI Capital Markets, and Bank of Baroda Capital Markets. SBI Cap will act as left lead. Sources say the issue size is likely around 10,000 crore rupees. It could range between 8,000 and 15,000 crore rupees. State-owned mining leader NMDC Limited has delivered a solid operational performance in the first 4 months of FY27, recording cumulative iron ore production of 19.16 million metric tons between April and July. NHPC Limited has announced its unaudited financial results for the quarter ended 30 June 2026, Q1 FY27. The company's consolidated revenue rose 18.5% to 3,808 crore rupees. Standalone profit was 1,113 crore rupees. EBITDA jumped 30.6% with margin at 61.8%. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra has given the clearest timeline yet on polymer plastic banknotes. Speaking after the Monetary Policy Committee meeting on August 5, 2026, he said the central bank is targeting these notes to enter circulation at the beginning of the next financial year, that is around April 2027, if field trials go as planned. NBCC India Limited has secured new work orders worth approximately 801.20 crore rupees in its regular course of business, according to a stock exchange filing. The contracts include a major project management consultancy assignment from the Reserve Bank of India and a hostel construction project for the Odisha School Education Program Authority. NTPC Limited has invited online bids for civil works related to a 1,500 megavolt amperes 765/400 kilovolt interconnecting transformer and its associated bay works at the 765 kilovolt and 400 kilovolt switchyard of Sipat Super Thermal Power Project in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Northern Coalfields Limited's Bina project organized an accidental death claim distribution program on Monday. The program was held in association with State Bank of India. Under the Corporate Salary Account Scheme, the family of late Shri Satyendra Kumar received a total of 1 crore rupees as accidental death claim. The amount was handed over to his wife, SMT Baby Devi.